Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your tablet. First, understand there are two main types of resets, a soft reset and a hard reset. A soft reset simply restarts your device, often resolving minor glitches without data loss. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, completely erases all your personal data and settings. Before considering a hard reset, it is absolutely crucial to back up any important files, photos, or documents you wish to keep. Performing a soft reset is incredibly straightforward and often resolves many common issues like freezing apps or slow performance. To do this, simply press and hold your tablet's power button. Keep holding it down for approximately 10 to 30 seconds. Your screen will eventually go dark, and then your tablet will automatically begin its restart sequence. Once it powers back on, you should notice improved responsiveness and stability, often without needing further steps. Before initiating a hard reset, thorough preparation is key to a smooth process. First, ensure your tablet has at least 50% battery life to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Next, back up all your essential data, including photos, videos, and documents, to a cloud service or an external storage device. Also, remember to remove any linked accounts, such as Google or Apple ID, from your tablet to avoid activation lock issues. Finally, disconnect any accessories. To perform the hard reset, first power off your tablet completely. Then, enter recovery mode, typically by holding down a combination of the power button and a volume button simultaneously for several seconds. Once in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data/Factory Reset option. Select it using the power button, confirm your choice, and then select Reboot System Now. Your tablet will then restart, completely erased and ready for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.